Sa tingin mo with the help of the new tools that you are using right now, are we able to build such building na katulad sa Dubai, 'di ba, the Burj Khalifa?
I think sobrang hirap ng construction or ng design nun if they don't rely on tools na ginagamit namin ngayon. It really doesn't matter that much kung lahat ba ng software tools are available. Siguro ang need natin i-make sure dito is we produce very competent professionals to be able to properly design, and it's possible with the help of softwares. Pero ang tanong na lang is sinong magfa-fund ng skyscrapers dito?
Okay.
Let's say businessmen, no? So multi-billion dollar businessmen from abroad, nahihikayat ba silang pumunta dito to build such buildings?
Okay.
So yun yung
Mga factor.
kung ang question is solely can we do it? Yes, we can.
Definitely.
I think we can definitely. Yung mga engineers natin, architects dito, they're very competent, I can say. Yung mga softwares available, yes. Ang question na lang is who will be interested to build that kind of infrastructure dito sa atin.